Hello! In front of me I have Amazfit GTS for Mini, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First, we need to open the Zap application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. In the application you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon to open the profile page, and then tap on the Amazfit GTS for Mini right here on the list of my devices. Now, next, let's scroll down through the page, find the Unpair button, and tap on it. Then tap on Unpair, and tap on Unpair. Now, tap on Got it. The watch will disappear from the list of my devices. Also, it will reset itself to the factory default settings. We can close the app, open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, tap on Bluetooth. You should see the Amazfit GTS for Mini on the list of my devices. If you do, tap on Info icon, tap on Forget this device, and tap on Forget device to completely remove it from or unpair it from our iPhone rather. And that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.